are short, some words are long. Put the sounds together and read along.
You can sound out words in this song. Keep practicing and you can't go wrong.
Yeah!
Ooh, S. Bless. Br, at. Brat.
Cool, app. Clap. Cr, app. Crab.
D, up. Drop. F, a, g. Flag. F, a, g. Frog. You're doing good.
You're doing fine.
Let's read these words
And stay in time.
Glass. Glass.
Grass. Grass.
Plum. Plum. Print. Print.
Sk. Ip. Skip. Slip. Slip.
Smog. Smog.
You know the sounds that you will need.
Keep practicing and learn to read.
Yeah! Oh yeah!
Snap. Snap.
Sp. Spin.
Still.
App. Trap.
It. Split.
Stir. Strum.
Put letters together and you can read.
Come on now, say these words with me.
D, k. Duck. Soft. Soft.
Elf. Elf. Ilk. Milk.
Elm. Elm.
Up. Gulp.
Quilt. Quilt.
Look at the screen and read some more.
You're reading better than ever before.
Yeah!
Lamp.
And. Hand.
Honk. Honk.
Int. Hint.
Desk. Desk.
Best. Best. Let's play a game.
Did somebody say game?
That's right, Chip. First, I'll say a word. Then, I'll break it up. See if you can spell the word I say. These words might seem a little tricky at first because they have at least 2 consonants that are blended together. Listen carefully to the sounds in each word. I know you can do this. Here's the first word. Ant. Ant.
A-N-T. Ant.
Ask. Ask.
A-S-K. Ask.
Elk. Elk.
E-L-K.
Those were pretty easy. Let's see if you can get these words. Left. O-Eft.
L-E-F-T. Left.
Help. Up.
H-E-L-P. Help.
Golf. G-A-Olf.
G-O-L-F. Golf.
Last. O-Ast.
L-A-S-T. Last.
Lost. O-Ast.
L-O-S-T. Lost.
Notice that just the middle sound changed between o-ast, last, and o-ast, lost.
Yeah, that's why I only had to change the middle letter when I spelled it. Let's do some more.
Melt. M-E-ult.
M-E-L-T. Melt.
Sand. S-E-N-D.
S-E-N-D. Sand.
Kept. K-E-P-T.
K-E-P-T. Kept.
See if you notice anything different about these next two. Swim. Sw-I-M.
S-W-I-M. Swim.
Drum. D-R-U-M.
D-R-U-M. Drum. I know what's different. These words have the blends at the beginning.
You've got it! Now, let's see if you can spell the words in our bonus round. Stomp. St-A-M-P.
S-T-O-M-P. Stomp.
Super! Try this one. Quack. Quack. I'll give you a hint. It starts with the letter Q.
Oh, I've got it now. Q-U-A-C-K. Quack.
Great job! When you have time, practice spelling other words with your friends.
Do you have any more games to play?
Yeah! I want to play a game!
Okay, I have a game. Why don't you and Festus both play this one, Chip? It's called Swap the Sounds.
Oh boy, Susan.
This'll be fun!
To play this game, you need to listen carefully. First, I will read the word on the screen. Next, I'll think of another word and give you a clue. Push the button in front of you as soon as you know the sounds that need to be swapped to make the new word. Ready? The first word is trip. What sounds do you need to swap to get a word for what you do with a coin to decide who goes first? Festus?
You have to swap the T-R, tr sound for the FL, full sound.
That's right. Swapping TR in trip for FL would make it flip, which is what you do with a coin to decide who goes first. You get 2 points, Festus.
Yippee! This is fun!
The next word is test. What sound do you need to swap to make a word for something you should get plenty of the night before a test? Chip?
You have to swap the T for R.
You are correct. Swapping the T in test for an R makes the word rest. Everyone needs plenty of rest the night before a test. Now you each have 2 points. The next word is crop. What sounds do you need to swap to get a word that is what you should do when a green light turns red? Festus?
You have to swap the CR for ST.
Great job! You realized that we needed to change out the beginning blends. Swapping CR for ST makes crop into stop. That's 2 more points for you, Festus. The score is 4-2. The next word is bump. What sound do you need to swap to get a word that is something you might do with a rope during recess? Chip?
You have to swap the B for the J.
Fantastic! Swapping the B in bump for a J makes the word jump. 2 more points for you, Chip. That ties the score, 4-4. This one is a little tricky. Are you ready? The next word is twist. What sounds could you swap to get a word that you would use in this sentence? I need to make a grocery blank for my trip to the store.
Ooh, I know! You need to make a grocery list!
I'm sorry, Festus. You need to push the button before you answer.
Sorry!
Chip, do you know what sounds you need to swap in the word twist?
Swap TW for L. Oh.
Way to go! Swapping the TW for an L turns the word twist into the word list. 2 more points for Chip. That makes the score 6-4.
Ooh, I'd better get the next one.
Be ready to buzz in. The next word is block. What sound do you need to change to make a word that is something you might do with a key to a door? Festus?
All you have to do is get rid of the B sound.
Excellent! By taking away the B, you turn block into lock. Now you each have 6 points. We have a tied score once more. What is it, Festus?
You change score into more by changing SC into M.
That's right, Festus. But I can't give you any points. That wasn't one of the questions.
Aw! Sorry!
Now it's time for the double round. I'm going to give you a word. Then I'll give you 2 clues for 2 other words I'm thinking of. Ready? Here's our double word. Junk. What sounds do you need to change to get 2 words for a smelly animal that made a stinky smell? Festus?
Just change the J to SK. And then swap the other J for ST to make a skunk That stunk!
Super! Double the 2 points brings your score to 10, Festus. You're on a roll today.
I'm on a roll? Okay. Does that mean I win?
Not so fast. We still have the bonus round. The bonus question is worth 6 points. This one is a little different from the others, but I think you can get it. The word for the bonus round is quack. What sound do you need to change to get a word that means fast? Chip?
Swap the A, for an I,
Amazing! You swapped the middle sound to change quack into quick. That makes the final score 12 to 10. Chip, you win!
Learning new things makes everyone a winner.
That's right, Chip. I really enjoyed playing Swap the Sounds because it gave me more practice learning my letter sounds.